D5 to D12. So you have to copy this formula.
D5 and D12.
From D5 to D12 for the other
Oh,
rows.
okay. Copy cell D4.
Okay.
I gotcha.
You have copied for only D5. Copy it till the D12. Select from D5 to D12. It's simple. Copy C D4, which you have already copied. No, don't drag it. Just follow the instructions. Delete the D5, that is 33,000. Delete it. Delete it. Okay. Now copy the D4. Copy and select D5 till D12. Select. Okay. And paste patient and only formulas. Yes. This was the instruction. Okay. Now follow the rest. The formula is copied everywhere and the calculation is done. Okay. This is same as we drag it down. This will work also. Now go to the instructions. Follow the next steps, please.
Um,
Okay. Select E4, enter a formula. Now what you will do, you calculate the gross profit amount.
okay. Copy cell E4.
Now first enter the formula in E4. Now we will be working with the E4 cell and we will be writing a formula. And what is the formula? We divide the gross profit amount with the cell that is calculating the gross profit percentage. So this is actually D4 divided by B4. Okay, it will be D4 divided by B4. Go to E4. E4. Now we actually want to GP percentage. This is the fourth step. Just remain on the fourth step. Okay, go to E4. Yes. Press equal. Equal. Fourth step. Fourth. Yes, this is. Just highlight it. So you highlight this cell. Fourth. You remain focused.
Hold on one second. Select cell E4 and enter a
Okay, this.
formula
Yes.
in this cell which divides the gross profit amount in cell D4 by the sales amount in cell B4 in order to calculate a monthly gross profit percentage. Okay, let's take it step by step. So select cell E4 and enter a formula in this cell. So we're entering a formula in cell E4, which divides the gross profit amount in cell D4. So D4 is here, gross profit amount here. That divided by
B4.
by the sales amount in B4 by the sales amount in B4. So this divided by this, gross profit divided by sales. Calculate monthly gross profit percentage. Okay. So go here equals this
slash.
divided by this. Enter.
Great. These were the instructions. Now, the next step is follow as instructed. Copies E4 and paste special till the E5 to E12. Now select the whole.
Oh, sorry.
Yes. Now formula.
Ah, shoot.
Okay, you have formula and format. You can do that way as well, no problem.
Okay.
Okay. Now only the formula is copied. Okay, now move to the next.
Why did we miss this one? April.
Because there is no data in here and you just dashes here. That is why there is an error. So this is actually what you say. We will be in the coming practices. We will deal with this. That if there is kind of error, how to remove that? We will use the conditional formatting. For conditional formatting or conditions, we will apply the if conditions. Okay. So this is currently that these kind of errors also happen when there is no proper data here. Because there is no sale, just dash, no sales, and if anything is divided by 0, you are getting this error. Okay, just follow the instructions. We are at step, I think you have done the step till the 7. Now go to the step 8. Step 8. 8. This is done. 7 is done. Now this is, yes, please read it and do this, whatever it says.
Open the com sheet. Select cell A3 and paste the selected cell range so that the orientation of the copied cells.
Okay, I think the 7, first we have to do the 7. We have done till 6. So select the cell range from A3 to B11 and copy these cell ranges. So just copy it, then move to 8. This is regarding GP sheet. And what it says A3 to B4, B11. A3 to B11. Yes, exactly. Copy it. You have not copied it. A3 to B11. You have not copied from the GP sheet A3 to B11. Just select these. Now it is only A3 and you have copied it. A3 to B11. Yes, please. Okay, that's great. Copy it and go to the form sheet. Now, just read the instruction of step 8. Open the form sheet, select cell A3. Okay, you will select the A3 and paste the selected cell range so that the orientation of copied cell changes from row base to column base. The month name is there for row now from the column heading and now you will use that transpose concept here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you have copied
Mm-hmm.
data from GB sheet and you are pasting in the com sheet and transpose when pasting it you use the transpose function. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
just go to the A3 in the com sheet and paste it as special with the transpose. Yes.
So what did we do here exactly? We took these things and we basically made it go sideways instead of up and down.
Yes. Actually, the data was in the column. Now the data is converted here into the rows. Month is going in the rows ways, and the sales is going in the rows way. So it's actually nothing but playing with the data and changing its orientation. And if you see, the formatting is also disturbed. You can just pay special and keep the format as well. Just undo the step. Okay, because the here you see the formatting is okay. Pay special, go to next. Yes, pay special, and values only. Click on the values only that is already. And where is the transpose? Transpose all. Go to the third last one. Last one. Okay. No, it is not. It is also changing its. Okay, now okay. I think values only. Values only. Values only. The top one was no. Pay special. Values only. It is okay. And go to the option transpose on the right. No. Undo this. Okay. Now paste here. Paste special. Values only. Okay. And go to the just check the transpose. Transpose. Okay. No, it is not contain the data. Then, okay, I think the formatting you have to do these are some limitations with the labels. No problem. You can format it. The top row was actually the brown one, and the other row was actually that is the gray one. No problem. You can change this manually. Just copy paste. So we move forward. No, here A3. Okay, paste special and transpose. Do this one. Okay, that's great. Now you can the top row you can use. The top row was the brown was top row was months. All months are in the brown. All months, the top row, that is the third row. Select those from A3 to I3. Yes, you have the format painter. You can for format painter from you can apply that format painter as well. You know the format painter.
No.
Okay, let me tell you. Just click on the months that is A4, A3 only, A3 months, A3. Just click here. Just click on the A3. Okay. Now there is a brush that is in the above B in the tab where we have the italic B, I, and U underline. You have a brush. Just click on that brush. This is the format painter. Alongside with the Caesar, go to the right. You have a brush above the I. Above, go to the top where we have the styles. Where we have style sheets and data tab where we have the data on the top. Just below the data you have a brush. Okay, you have a brush. Yes. Okay, this now you have selected this one. Now
Oh, you want to make these
from
all brown? Is that what you're saying?
yes, yes, sir.
Oops.
No, this one not the above one. But first we have to give him which we have to select. We have to select. I just want to tell you that you just use the format painter. So this is this month's A3. Just click the Puresh. No, get only select the A3, 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 A3. No. I think I have to share my screen.
Okay. I select A3. And then hit brush.
Yes.
What does it say? Clone formatting. Okay.
Okay. Now select from B3 to I3. B3 to I3. B3 to I3.
They keep doing that. Oh my God.
It should go a little bit below. Yes, now select it. It was not working. Just double click on it. Select the form. Double click it. Double click it. Oh, it's work only one. There are so many limitations with this LibreOffice. Because in Excel, you only double click it and you can use this format pattern for the whole row. You just select everything. Okay. Just press special and format. Use the format only, format only, format only. The third one. Yes. Okay. That's also works. Okay. Now for sales, you can do it, but I think it is okay. Let's move forward. Go to the next step. That is step number. That is step number 8 is done. So just read it and move forward to step 9. Okay. So 8 is actually you have changed the orientation by using the transpose. Now select the cell B9 and enter a formula which enables you to calculate a monthly commission based on the two commission percentages that have been entered in B6 and B7. So if you see in the form sheet in the B9, you want to calculate the monthly commissions which are based on the B6 and B7.
Select
This is
E9.
regarding, yes, select the B9 in the com sheet. 8th step is done. You have copied that everything.
Select B9. Okay.
B9 is beside the commission one amount. Okay. Okay, just select it and here you put the formula. Are you having difficulty with it?
Hold on.
So these are the two commissions. One commission is 10% and second is 7.5%. And you just want to calculate the 10% of 1,000. That is August sales, 100,000. Just multiply 100,000 with the 10 if you are getting it. No, 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 not here. Go to the cell B9. We are now working with the B9. Just redo. Uh, the data is removed from that cell from B4. Undo the last step, please. 1 2 steps as well. Control Z, Control Z. Yes, yes. Now it's okay. Now go to B. Yes, equal. Just write it equal. And B4, that is 100,000. You can select as well. Multiply by steric. Multiply by 10%. That is B6. Okay, enter. Now we have to use the absolute values. If you go to the instruction that is set, similarly, just remain on that tab. Also enter and formula below for the second commission as well. Then we will see. You have entered the formula in B6. For B7 as well, you can, oh, sorry, B9, B10 as well, you can write that formula. So this tip is very important that you know you have to use the references that we have discussed in last our classes. You have to log the row and you have to log the column as well, so that you copy this formula for the rest of other cells. Okay.
Yeah.
So if
Okay, hold
no,
on.
just also just write a formula. Okay. Now you see here we have to log what? B4 or B6?
Hold on.
For the B6, actually, we don't want to change what thing, row or column.
1 second. I'm thinking about it for a second. Hold on. Like that. Times.
No, we don't put the sign, dollar sign at the end. We put before B or before 4. So if we put the dollar sign before B, then B column is logged. If we put the sign before 4, then the fourth row is logged. So in our case, our row is important here. We don't want to log the column for the fourth one, which is our sales. So B4 is referring to our sales. So when we move to the right, we don't want to log the B column, because column will change. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I till the I it will change. But we don't want to change our row. So we will only put the dollar sign before the row. That is 4. So remove the first dollar sign, please. That is before B. Okay, and for the B6 we don't want to change our column. Okay, that is the 10%. So put a dollar sign before B.
What exactly are we doing here? I'm confused. What are we multiplying by? What by what?
Okay,
We're
we are
trying
just
to
calculate
we're trying to basically take
calculate
hold on.
So this is actually a data where we have sales for month July 2011 to March 2012. Just that data. And we just want to show there are two kinds of commission. That one commission is 10% and the other is 7.5%. And in the subsequent calculations, we only want to show these two commissions on that numbers, on that sales, on that monthly sales. Okay, so it is actually you only multiply this every month sales with the commission percentage. That's it. but we will be doing it with the referencing, using the referencing concept. So you just copy this formula and paste for other cells, and it will work accordingly. So that's why we are locking these things. You got my point? It is nothing but calculating the commissions. Commission 1 is 10%, commission 2 is 7.5%.
Right. So I need to do this number times that number for this box.
Exactly. You're right.
This number times that number for that box.
Exactly.
This times that for this times this for that.
Okay.
So, okay.
But if we have done the referencing right in the B9 column, then you just copy that formula for the rest of cells. It will work because of the orientation of this data. So that's why we are putting the dollar sign there.
Okay, hold on. We would want to.
Okay, if you are confused, let's try a thing. You have multiplied B4 by B6. Okay, that's great. Remove the dollar sign. Remove the dollar sign. Okay. Okay, enter. Enter. Copy this formula and paste for the rest. All of copy.
I already know what's gonna do. It's gonna just do the 10,000.
No, just move till the end, and you see if it's your required or it is going according to your requirements or not. And how
No.
you will see? Just click on C and go to the formula bar and click at the end. At the end in the formula where the C4. Okay. Yes. Click here at the end.
Yes,
Now you
it's
see
trying to
what is
multiply
it?
this times this.
But it should be multiplying this by 10%, which is here. So we have not locked the cell. That's why it is calculating this way. So we
Right.
have to lock this 10%. The 10% was B6 in the previous formula. Previous formula, yes, B6. Lock the B6. And how you will lock this that one? Actually, you want to lock the B, so you put the dollar sign before that. No drag, no drag it. Enter, press enter. No, 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 no. Don't put at the end, please. Don't put at the 6. You
Why,
can
why?
put it.
Okay, hold on, slow down. So I want to multiply all these numbers here by
With the 10.
B6. So
Yes, you can do it. You are right.
why would I not lock the B6 cell? I'm always multiplying it by 10.
You can do it, but why I was not saying, because you have to drag it down as well. If you drag it down, then the commission 2 will not come. B7 will not come. Drag it down, it will not work. Dragging it right, this formula will work. Drag it right,
Hold on.
it will
Let
work.
me hold on. Let me think about it first. Hold on one second. Right now it's not going to work because when I drag to this one, it is gonna try to multiply by, hold on,
This
let's
will
see.
work on. This will work. Drag it right till the end, till the I, it will work. Just check it. Then drag it till the end. You will see that it will work. Yes. Now see in H9, click on H9, that is 10,500. Go to the formula bar, click at the end. You see it is working because you have just locked that cell. and it is absolute lock. You are locking the row as well as the column. That's it. It is working great.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. So I thought you said this wasn't correct.
Why I was saying this was incorrect, because now you have to put just drag the 10,000 or the B9 to the lower. Then you will see why I was saying that it is not correct. For this row, it is okay.
Oh, if you
Escape,
go
press
down,
escape. Yes, press escape. Now bring it down. Now get to this and see what is the formula or what it is referencing. Now go ahead.
it's gonna reference B6 because that's where the formula is locked in at. But I need it to
Okay.
reference B7.
Similarly, there is another error as well. Go to the formula bar, click at the end, click at the end.
I just need
Now
to
you
change it to
see,
7.
yes,
Wait,
what were we supposed to do? We were supposed to do, yes, it multiply B4 with the B7, but it is multiplying B5 with the B6.
hold on. Let me think about it. Hold on. How's that?
That's great. You have done a good job. That is good. But here we have write two formulas. If there were commissions, like there are 100 commissions, okay, these are only two. You have put two formulas in the B9 and B10. Okay, you have write two formulas and you have dragged to the right. But if you have multiple commissions and you only, I what I was thinking, what the purpose of this, that you put the formula in the one session, one, and you just drag it down and drag it to the right. It will work. It was not working when you drag it to the down. So to drag it down and it work, you have to get the references right. So let's do
Okay.
that one. Are you getting my point?
Yes. Yeah, you need to be able to write the calculations for both rows with one formula. I understand. Right now I'm doing them
Okay,
with two
you can
formulas.
also do as well. Just put a commission third as well, but don't do this. Just correct the formula in the B9. Okay, this is great working that you have done. That now you have the concept that it is B4 and you just change the B7, B7 which is locked as well. Okay. Now,
Mm.
if you go to the B4 column and let's try another thing. B4 column, B4 cell, sorry, that is 10,000.
Okay.
Go to B4 column, B4 cell, sorry.
B4. Okay.
Oh, sorry, B9. Go to B9 where we have put the formula. Okay. Now correct this formula. So actually, when we were dragging it right, okay, you just only you drag it below. You just want to log the B4. B4 4 is our row. Okay, and you put a dollar sign before the 4 for the B4.
Okay, hold on.
Dollar sign before 4.
Hold on, hold on. What I really want to lock is
Delete the second row, the 10th row. Delete these for these 75. Don't delete these formulas. The second row, because we will be dragging it down as well.
wait, hold on.
Second commission amounts. Please delete all the second commission amounts that you have just put. Just delete it. Now you see, if you drag it down, you have already seen that it is not giving us the correct result, but we want it. So how we will do it? We just want to log the fourth row. Okay, drag it down, you will get the idea. Drag it down. Okay, just click on the formula bar. Now you see the B4. No. It is actually you are selecting the first one. Select the second one where there is dash. No. Escape. Okay, second one. This. Now go to the formula bar. Go to the formula. Okay, now you see that it is the B4 is moved to B5. We don't want this. So how we will prevent this one? By by locking the 4 in the previous cell. Delete it. Delete it now. Delete it. Delete this cell. This formula which you have dragged this one. Okay. Go to the above. Just lock the 4 before the 4. Yes. Now drag it. You will see the difference. And drag it down. But there is an click on the B10. B10. Now click in the formula bar. See what happened. See what happened. Just click at the end. So 10,000, 100,000 remains same, but there is another error. The commission is not changed. Commission should be 7.5. Commission should move downward. Now our row is static, that is 4, but our commission is not moving downward. So to move commission downward, you just remove the dollars from the 6 B6 so that it move to the 7. Okay. From the previous formula, it's B9. Just delete it. Delete this one. Delete this one. Delete this one. Because we are dragging from the above. Yes. Remove the dollar sign from. Yes. Now drag it down. Now you will see the difference. Click here, the trick here. Now you are getting the exact points. Okay. Just give me, let me do this one. So you have the, you see that I will do it quickly for you.
Yeah, we want
Could
to
I share this screen?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, I'm just for your ease. Okay, I'm putting some other commissions here. You are seeing my.
Yeah.
Okay, this is 3. This is 4. This is 5. This is 6, and this is 7. So it is 6. This is 4. This is 8. This is something, and this is 11. Okay. Now I have these kind of. I did also want this commission till the 7. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just very. So my actual purpose is I'm working with this. I put a formula here that is very important. I just highlighting with it the green one. Okay. So I just copy this to till the end. I multiply these sales with these commission. Okay. So how I will do? I will multiply this multiply by this. Okay. So this was what you have already done. So actual was that I have to log this row because when I move right or left, this row will not move. Okay, this is the 4. So I have logged for this B4, I am locking this one. Okay. And the for B6, B6. So when we move right or left, so we don't want to move this one because our values are here in the B column. So we just lock the B column. Okay. And B, we will put the dollar sign here before the B for this 6. Okay. Now I copy this one and copy everywhere else you can do. Okay, now you see this was our requirement. As you can see, it is commission 5. You are getting the 8%, and it is for the January. So actually, January 12, it is getting this one. So this is the formula that is pasted, that is working fine. Okay, you got the point.
Yes, conceptually, yes, but writing it is still a struggle for me, but I think I'm understanding it. I understand that putting the, like you only want to lock whatever is going to stay consistent and when you drag. Anything that is going to
Yes,
be fluid as you drag, anything that's going to be a variable, you don't want to lock those. You only want to lock you don't want to lock down to a cell because then, when you drag across, it's going to keep referencing that one cell when it does the calculations. You want to
exactly.
drag, you want to lock the row if you're going to drag. What
Because
if you,
when we do this the kind of here we are copying it everywhere. But when we will be dealing with the tables and when we dealing in the Power BI, you just write the formula in the one cell. But
yeah.
if referencing is good, then it moves for every cell in that column. So it automatically applies for the whole
Mm-hmm.
cell as we were doing here. If I put a formula here, something that is actually this month plus this month, just as an example. So if you see, I don't have to copy it till the end. It is just referencing, and this is another kind of referencing that is absolute, and it is regarding the table. Okay, for the tables, this is for the other ranges, you have to copy that one. So this concept is very important as you are multiplying the same thing and you know how these things are moving. Okay, and if that you were doing that one, but that you were absolute locking here. What is this? This is B6. B6 is here. Okay, B6 is 10%. So that is conceptually correct. But if we copy it till the end, you see, it is B4 is locked already, and our data commission 2, 3, 4 are not correct calculating. It is calculating the same. If you see, it is taking this as absolute, but we want to move it downwards, and we only locked the column B. So what we have done, remove that one before the 6. We have not locked the 6th row. We have locked only the B column. So I have removed this dollar signs from the B before the 6th one because I want this one to move 7, 8, 9, 10. So now if you copy this one till the end, it will move accordingly. Now you see it's B6, 7, 8, B. This is changing, and the 4 is not changing. Okay, you got my point. Here B is
Yeah.
not changing. Okay, B is not changing because B is locked. Here 4 is not changing because 4 is locked. And why we have locked the 4? Because our sales amounts are in the 4th row. And why we have locked the B? Because our commissions are in the B column. So we have done this so. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have time? Just we follow the other because there are some other example we have to do for the sales and tax calculation. Or you do it
Yeah, no, I
tomorrow.
have, yeah, tomorrow I have another meeting coming up in 5 minutes.
Okay, no problem. Just remember this. Oh, we will do it tomorrow.
Okay,
We will
cool,
be
man.
meeting tomorrow, inshallah.
Okay, cool, man.
Same time.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
See you. See you tomorrow.
Yes, yes, sir.